friends, for the new year 2026, Surya has introduced you his new chimney, that's the Nano, as you can see behind me. This is an upgrade for their Eco series, and in this chimney they changed lot of things. Before we have like 2-speed motor, now new model comes with a 3-speed motor in a copper motor, as well as this time the filter has been changed to filterless. Initially it was a boat filter, now this is a new technology. In this it comes with a filterless, auto clean, gesture functions and all the available functions. Now you can get this in this chimney with a good suction power, and this comes with 1250, that is 1250 suction power. As you can see behind me, this is the chimney with a toughened glass with a steel body, as you can see, filterless technology. Now I will explain you everything one by one. First we will clear this smoke. So we will have a demo for the smoke. As you can see behind me, we are just a gesture away to start removing the smoke from your kitchen, and it was really quick to remove each and every particles of the smoke in the kitchen. So now, as you can see over here, this comes with a 5-speed motor, as you can see in the sticker over here, and you will get pan India support. That means you will get doorstep services all over India. And thirdly, this comes with a motion sensor, as you can see it over here. You can change the speed of the motor or switch off. The next one, it comes with a touch panel. This is the speed. Now next it comes with an auto clean. For the auto clean we just need to press this button a little longer. Now the auto clean has started. It will take around 16 minutes to auto clean, and all the dirt and the oil come inside this oil collector cup is over here, and which is really easy to clean. Once it will be done, we'll just put away. And you can service this chimney just by pressing a single button in your house by yourself. You don't need to spend a lot of money for the services of this chimney. And in case you just want to switch off this auto clean, you just need to press this button a little longer and this will switch off. So now, as you can see in this panel, this is the on off button. This button is for the light. As you can see, it will have two round shape LED lights. One is of 2.5 watts. Totally it is a 5-watt light on your gas stove, which is sufficient to see the things cooking in your range hoods, or I mean on your cooking appliances. Now we have 3 more buttons. That's the dedicated switch for the speed, that is slow, medium, fast. And when you switch off that gesture, it will automatically start at the slow. And the next one, as you can see in this filter, it will be really easy to take it out and clean. This is the filter, as you can see. It is really easy to take it out, clean, and then put it back here. And this comes with copper motor. If you have any other query, you can let us know, and you can write us on the phone number, WhatsApp, or by email as mentioned in the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video.